Hello, welcome to UWW News. I'm in front of the Perkins Stadium, here to tell everyone that,
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
I actually don't know. Where am I? I think my biggest fear right now is someone running. Oh my god. Use the bike lane. Just trying to snatch everyone's money. Hi, we're here with the most famous people in Whitewater. Sir, tell me your name. I understand that you've been standing outside the fitness center for a while. What's that like? Do your friends feel the same way about that? I don't know, I think, the green guy's got something to say about that. Ooh, are you really gonna take that from him? Well, you heard it here first, guys. Drama in the weird statue department. Who put this here? It's a waste of money.
Hello everyone, welcome back to WWTV. Today we have a very common person around campus. You might have seen him before. What's your name, sir? Okay, well that's good to know. What a tease. Okay.
Well, now if I look at the tire I'm on, it looks like Lightning McQueen's tire. So now I'm on the tire. Welcome, everyone. Today our topic is
Corn cobs, corn dogs, corn knobs, cattails.
cattails, corn cob. We're back online. Hi, excuse me. Do you know Lightning McQueen? Thank you.
This bench is bright.
Fuck, I can't even see myself. Oh god, it's the fucking corn dog grease. Fuck. That sun is melting me.
It's hot.
I feel like I'm melting.
It's so
Stop eating it! Alone. Hello? Also, do people form tomography off of your cell phones now? Or is there like a different type of technology to film pornography on? Does anyone actually know? We're getting a call.
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hey.
Hello?
Hey everyone, I'm on the scene.
What's the scene? If you're a scene reporter, you gotta know where you are. You can't just...
Hey, I'm on the trail. It's kind of a nice day. Oh wait. So, hey.
Well, I don't think that was in English. I think we'll switch over to our English reporter right now. Hey everyone, I'm here in the woods. I'm not the same guy as you just saw in the last scene. Don't worry, we're just twins who work for the same news company. Anyway. So budding season's happening out here, and not the budding season you think. I'm not talking about that mad kush. I'm talking about the tree buds on all the plants out here. That's right, it's spring. Of course, it also is budding season because, 420, and also it's warm so people can smoke outside fine. You know what? We're just gonna keep talking about budding. I know what rock this is. It's from Wisconsin. Life hack, if you want your corn dog stick longer, improvise. Oh shit, there's people. Whatever. Oh god, what are you doing?
Where'd you get that microphone?
Toys R Us. Me! This is a good picture. Alone, alone, alone.
Where did the dog go? I wish I could go down a sinkhole. What? There's the dog.
Where? Oh my god. Hey. Oh, he saw me. I'm the one that understands you. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, there's the guy. Oh,
God damn it. Now where do we go? He's gonna see us.
Let's go up.
Okay.
We're walking up.
Okay.
The marijuana's starting to come in.
Good batch. Leash your dog. Oh my god. Oh my god. He heard me. He heard me.
Oh, my pants are down. Let's get going.
Did you eat your entire thing?
I don't know if the entire thing's gone.
The 73 questions for Vogue. Hey, how's your day today?
It's amazing. There's just so much happening. It's warm.
So like the warm climate, do you like warm climates or do you prefer colder climates?
I prefer when the temperature goes up because you know it's just kind of like
The price of pussy, what's up? It keep going up. Suck it in.
it's like a Vogue runway.
Do you see what I see?
What?
It's a pile of shit. All these trees are really cute.
There's a corn dog.
There's literally no difference. Hey guys, we're out and about. Well, everyone, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you took the time in your day to watch it. It means a lot to us. Any last words?
No.
Well, if I look at,
Yeah.
good. That's all I care about. That's all I want. I just want to look at. God, they're following us. We're in purgatory.
Did you just hiss?
Yeah. Alone.
Oh,
Why would
God.
I go in there into that trash can and like have my arms like snatch all the trash that's supposed to be recycling and put it in the recycling? But like it's not like my body. It's like my yaddy.
Oh my god, do you remember when U2 sent an entire album onto iTunes for everybody when they didn't want it?
Me and Carly Rae Jepsen.
I am bald.
I'm in a crib. I want my mother.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
You to do is that the most important part of the mission is that you complete the farthest and hardest challenge that I'm going to give you in the future.
You could do so you want him to do you so much you could do anything?